Welcome to Fabi John's, The Joy of Decorating. Your home should have a unique look. Your home shouldn't look like your best friend's house or an influencer online. Your home needs to be as individual as you are, as unique as you are. More individualistic approaches to home decor have been observed lately, and this trend is expected to continue throughout 2025. A return to a more thoughtfully designed space that explores more personal pieces and creates assemblage of constructing elements and furniture using existing pieces into a new space is what gives your home a distinctive, authentic look and feel to your home. We are seeing fewer overly stylized spaces in 2024 throughout 2025. Big statement pieces in vibrant colors are also making a comeback. Unexpected material combinations and rich, somber color schemes are adding a boldness that is welcoming in any setting. Purchasing second-hand items, finding investment pieces, and selecting long-lasting and durable furnishings. A quality-based design that is creative, deliberate, and insightful can never be replaced. A trend towards collecting was observed by many designers. Investment furniture and art are certainly more in style now, which I believe will keep classic profiles and pieces current for many years to come, since their inherent authenticity and craftsmanship needed to work with them endure. High quality and durable materials will always be in style. tones with deeper and warmer tones are here to stay. If you haven't noticed, the popularity of antiques and vintage pieces has been bringing rich walnut or dark mahogany tones back into our homes for a time. Incorporate your modern pieces of furniture with accessories or other furnishings that are antique to give you a collected, curated look to your home, which makes it different than everyone else's. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.